Hello. Where do you want?
Take me to the airport.
Sure. Do you have luggage?
Yes, one suitcase and backpack.
Please put them in trunk.
Okay, let me do it.
Traffic is heavy this morning.
Oh no! Will I be late?
Maybe, but I'll drive fast.
Please be careful while driving.
Don't worry. I drive safely.
How long will it take?
Around 30 minutes, I think.
That's fine. I have time.
Good. What time is flight?
It's at 2 in afternoon.
You will reach on time.
Thanks. I hope so too.
We are almost there now.
Great. Thanks for the ride.
Hello. What would you like? One coffee, please. Medium size. Do you want milk inside? Yes, just a little milk. Any sugar in your coffee? No, I don't need sugar. Would you like something else? No, just coffee for me. That will be $3. Here is my card. Thanks. Tap or insert the card. I will tap it here. Payment received. Here's your coffee. Thank you. It smells great. Enjoy your drink. Have fun. You too. Have a nice day. Thanks. See you next time. I will come again soon. We look forward to it. Bye for now. Hello. Do you need bags?
Yes, I need 2 bags.
Your total is $20.
I will pay with cash.
Here is your change back.
Thank you. Have a receipt?
Yes, here's your receipt, sir.
Thanks. Do you sell apples?
Yes, they are in aisle 4.
I will get some later.
We have fresh apples today.
That's great. I love apples.
Anything else you need today?
No, I have everything now.
Have a great day ahead.
You too. Take care now.
Thank you. See you again soon.
Yes. I'll come back later.
We'll be happy to help.
Thanks. Bye for now.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
The bank is across the street.
Thank you. Is it far?
No, just a short walk.
How many minutes to walk?
Maybe 5 minutes from here.
Great. Which way to go?
Walk straight, then turn left.
Got it. Is there a sign?
Yes, you'll see a sign.
Is it near the supermarket?
Yes, it's beside the supermarket.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Thanks again.
No problem. Stay safe.
I will. See you later.
See you. Take care.
Thanks. Bye for now.
Bye.
Hello. What brings you today?
I have a bad cough.
How long have you coughed?
About 3 days, maybe more.
Do you have a fever?
No, just coughing and sneezing.
Any pain in your throat?
Yes, my throat feels sore.
I will check your throat.
Okay, I am ready now.
Open your mouth. Say ah.
Ah. Does it look bad?
Just a little red inside.
What medicine should I take?
I will give you syrup.
How many times a day?
Take it 3 times daily.
Thank you, doctor. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
I will. Thank you again. Hi, are you free now?
Yes. What's up, Sarah?
Want to meet for lunch?
Sure. Where should we go?
How about the new cafe?
Sounds great. What time?
Let's meet at 12 o'clock.
Okay. I'll see you there.
Don't be late this time.
I promise I won't be.
Good. I'm very hungry.
Me too. Let's eat soon.
Do you want to share?
Yes. Let's order different dishes.
Great. I love trying food.
Me too. It's always fun.
Okay, see you very soon.
See you. I'm leaving now.
Okay, drive safe, my friend.
I will. Bye for now.
Hello? How can I help?
I need to send this.
Where is it going to?
To my friend in Canada.
Do you want express delivery?
How fast is express delivery?
It takes 3 to 5 days.
That's fast. How much, please?
It costs $10 total.
Okay, I will pay now.
Cash or card for payment?
I will use my card.
Please tap your card here.
Done. Is there a tracking?
Yes. Here's your tracking number.
Thank you. That is helpful.
Your package is sent now.
Great. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. See you later.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I need a dress.
What color do you like?
I like blue or white.
What size do you wear?
I wear a medium size.
Here, try this blue dress.
It looks nice. Where's fitting room?
It's at the back corner.
Okay, I'll try it now.
Does the dress fit well?
Yes, but it's too long.
We can make it shorter.
How long will it take?
Maybe 2 days for alteration.
Okay, I will buy it.
Great choice. Please pay here.
Here is my credit card.
Payment received. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. See you next time.
Hello. How can I help?
I want to borrow books.
Do you have a card?
Yes, here is my card.
What books are you borrowing?
2 novels and 1 dictionary.
Okay, let me scan them.
How long can I keep?
You have 2 weeks' time.
Can I extend if needed?
Yes, you can renew online.
That's great. Very easy process.
Do you need a book bag?
Yes, please. That will help.
Here you go. Anything else?
No, that is all. Thanks.
Enjoy reading. See you soon.
I will. Thanks for everything.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye for now. Hello, welcome to my house.
Thanks. Your house looks great.
Thank you. Come inside, please.
Wow, your living room is nice.
Glad you like it here.
Where should I put shoes?
Leave them near the door.
Okay. What's for dinner tonight?
We are having pizza today.
That sounds delicious. I'm hungry.
Let's sit while it bakes.
Sure. Want to watch TV?
Yes, let's watch a movie.
Do you have action movies?
Yes. I love action films.
Me too. Let's watch one.
Okay, I will start now.
This movie looks very exciting.
Yes. Let's enjoy our time.
Thanks for inviting me here.